Summer tire time. I can't believe the front tires on my Hyundai are almost worn out. Made in Canada. Huh. Found these tires next to my neighbor's house in the garbage. I'm going to put them on the Hyundai. I got the rims on a Hyundai Scoop that I scrapped. Almost new tires. Saved my winter tires. And I got an alternator here. Went through my junk underneath the apartment. Found a small alternator, like a 50 amp or so. Maybe Ware's little fella wants to throw this on while he experiments with the other one, or just get a diode trio. This one looks like it's a rebuild with low miles. And cleaning out the back of my T-Roc Blazer. And I was just poking around the Suburban. I took off the master cylinder to look inside. It's sometimes low in oil, and look at that. Back reservoir is empty. That is not good, and I keep it filled up. I don't know where the oil is going. Better fill that right up post haste. Option stickers. Takancha rear trailer brake controller. What do I got in this thing? Never even used it. Kelsey Hayes antique style. Never used it. Takancha self-leveling. Click. Alright, I gotta move a few things around. I was supposed to work on the weld that on. I might do that right now. Weld my carry chain on in case my other chain breaks. I got lots to do. One day I'll clean this place up. Yeah, dreaming. Maybe never. Huh. Whoop. Welded. Yeah, the real gym guy asked me to show him the patches. I just took pieces of steel and welded the corner of it and hammered it down. I think I did one on the inside too. Yep. Welded. Good to go. Paint it up. I'm listening to the radio now. They're talking about the Presto disc cutter. A portable record cutting machine that you'd use at a recording and make a single disc. And I'm listening to All the Traditions with Robert Resnick on VPR, Vermont Public Radio, and he just talked about a disc cutting record player, and I'm pretty sure a friend of mine in New Jersey has one. There was an article in this week's New Yorker about this machine that would cut a single record. Listening to this, Mr. Grand, the Fare Thee Well, I guess the Titanic, when the Titanic sunk, Fare Thee Well. Fare thee well. Yeah, I'm listening to the radio while I'm painting, making videos. I'm going to send a text message, an SMS message, to my friend in New Jersey, if he still has the same phone number. I haven't talked to him in a couple of years. Tell him to read that article in the New Yorker about his record disc cutter. He's a DJ and he collects vinyl. He's got all kinds of weird stuff. 8-track players and he's living in a different age. Problem with this electronic crap is it just disappears in a flash. Gone. It's right there and you can't find it. Here, I'll play you the radio that I've got on. Yep, little AM/FM radio. Makes me look like a geek. But I get to listen to this important information. about single disc cutters. Had a little brush to brush away the plastic shavings after it had cut into the vinyl with a blade. Fairly well. Let the women go down the Titanic fairly well. You can hear it going round and round. Save the women, let the men go down. It's pretty cool. I think my friend has one of these. A record recorder. Titanic fairly well. Titanic fairly well. Alright, I'm going to leave this. Turn the can upside down and get the paint out of the nozzle. Titanic fairly well. Alright, I got some of the stuff organized here. That's going to piss her for the Subaru. I'm going to Toronto this coming weekend to visit Spiked Punk. He's going to rebuild the 4L80 tranny that I'm going to remove tomorrow. Yep, Niagara Falls, here we come. The Titanic fairly well. Boy, it's a long record. Wonder what speed it was recorded at. That's it. Return to sender. Dewey, Duckbill.